everyone. I think everyone is healthy and safe at home. Educations. From where we are getting educations? Who help us to get educations? And what are the hard works we have to do for that educations? All things we had completed. Today we will see educations, the most valuable investments. If I ask to you, yes, education is the most valuable investment. Think on it. But I will tell, definitely yes. Education is the most valuable investment. Why? Because education prepares the youth for life. Our main objective should be to provide basic facilities for learning. We all know that India, it is a democratic country. Everyone have their own point of view. According to Pratibha Devi Singh Patil, democracy is a form and a method of government where revolutionary changes are brought without bloodshed. It is a form of a government where revolutionary changes are brought without bloodshed. Bloodshed means बिना रक्तपात के, बिना खून खराबे के हम revolutionary changes इसमें ला सकते हैं through the help of education. Yes. After getting educations, we are become a good citizens. If we are a good citizens, it is our responsibility to give something to the society. Yes or no? So, it is a nature tendency. If we are getting something, we have to return back. So, our responsibility increases that we have to give good qualities, something to the society. In again, Pratibha Devi Singh Patil she told that India will become a leading nation if we invest in building the capabilities and capacities of youth. Our country may be become a leading nation. वो lead कर सकता है पूरी दुनिया में. अभी who is the leading nation? We all know America, United States of America. We are telling now. So if we are invest our money, invest our good things to the educations, then definitely our India also can become a leading nation. Yes. Again she told that educations give opportunities. Okay. It is giving opportunities to do many things. अगर आप educated हो, you can do anything. It is a build bridge. Educations, if we are educated, then it makes a bridge for us. जैसे अगर एक अच्छी मजबूत ब्रिज होगी तो उसके ऊपर से कितनी भी हेवी गाड़ी हो, it can run away. So same way, if we are well educated, so we can do anything in our life. Okay. Again, she told that educations help us to face challenges with confidence. कोई भी challenge आए, कोई भी problems आए, we can face it with the help of this education, and in a great confidence we can able to face it. Yes. To provide value-based educations, what is necessary? That to provide value-based educations, every person's, or we can say that primary level education should be required. That means primary education should be there, everyone's fundamental rights. सबके fundamental rights होने चाहिए. Education must reach to every door. पढ़ाई हर दरवाजे तक पहुंचनी चाहिए. That's why governments had taken out many schemes. They are making that primary education should be given freely. That's in this way education can reach to every door. यानी हर दरवाजे तक education पहुंच सकता है, मतलब हर बच्चा education का फायदा ले सकता है. The real purpose. What is the real purpose is to educate or we are the impart of knowledge? खाली हमको knowledge मिल गया, okay? No. But it is a lifelong search of knowledge. एक बार हमको नॉलेज मिल गया तो हमको शांत बैठनी है क्या? नो, इट्स अ लाइफ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. जिंदगी भर हमको उसके लिए सर्च करना है उस नॉलेज के. है इतना मिल गया, वी आर सेइंग ना, से नॉलेज जो है वो इतना वास्ट है, समुंदर से भी बड़ा है, तो हमको तो इतना ही मिला है. सो ऑलवेज वी हैव टू डू इट्स और वी आर गेटिंग crazy about that knowledge. Some other persons are also have their different views. We will take now Umar Abdullah, Umar Abdullah, he told that students can become leaders in different fields by talent, quality educations and hard work. According to Umar Abdullah, he told that our students can become a leaders. कौन से leaders? That राजनीति वाला leaders? No. That the leaders that they are leading and you command कर सके by talent, good educations and hard work. Okay, so I think everyone had come to know till now and you had understood this topic very well. Okay, so have a great day. Bye.